project. Got a battery on there. It's probably bad. Pull string. Replace that real quick. So we just cleaned this carburetor. Just I put some gas up in here too. Let's see if it's gonna start. Got a little break of this rain. Been raining. So let's see. Let's turn this gas on. It's hard it won't choke. Hopefully that motor don't take off. Yeah, it's all gas now. So I'm gonna cover it up. It's starting to rain back again. It's coming on. I haven't had no break of this rain through these videos, so we'll continue. Yeah, this the Duramax. Finally put the new carburetor on here. Let it run. Let's see. Start it up. Got the gas on. Gonna choke it. Raining. Go-kart running. Run pretty good. You need another clutch. I have to take it off and clean it. So I did not grab it. Stuck. Probably been on us forever. Chain really. All the stuff on that chain. It's right up, really. Move back and forth. Gotta do that. Gotta run it though. Another project. Gas all that, I run out of gas. We back. Duramax 208 CC. I just painted it flat black. It's that blue color. Still gotta do something with this floor. Got all these stickers and stuff on there, but we just did a little light coat over it. And then we're gonna go heavy on it. Just a little update of it. get it situated. Gotta pull them lights off. I don't need them lights right now. I'll get some more lights. Yeah, it's just a little update of it. I'll be back. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.